Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail yourself on Android or iPhone, any of them, and you can do it by yourself for YouTube and other things. So yeah, to get into it, go into your Play Store or Google Store, I think that's cool, and then write in thumbnail maker and scroll down until you find this thumbnail maker, and then download it. Then you can open it and it'll tell you to create a new one, or it'll just tell you to get started. So what you have to do is basically you can choose a gallery, not a gallery, an image, or you can take one from your gallery, which as you can see is on the bottom. So let's just choose one of them. There's multiple, so nah. Oh, this is good. I think this is diamond. Okay, and then you rewrite the thumbnail of the video or something. Thumbnail video, and then you can choose whatever font you want. You can even choose this. So, and then here you can still choose things. Oh, this is cool. I've tried this before. Okay, so I've chose this. You can make it 3D. You can turn it like this. You can make it like upside down or whatever. Or you can make, oh my god, what happened to it? Oh, that's too much 3D. I'd recommend it being like a little like this. And you can then with its size, you can make it go invisible, half invisible, but I want it to actually be visible. You can make it like be wobbly. You can make it just go like this. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, there. Okay, boom. You can make an outline for it. It could be thick. It could be very thick. Okay, so yeah, I'll just make it green. I think it just has to stick with black. And you can put photos in there, crop and edit it, erase a little bit of it, or you can just go like this. Okay, so there's a lot of things, a lot of categories. I usually go for technology, but right now I'll just go with the brain. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. No, let's not make it diamond there, because then nobody will be able to. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye.